Why teach the Odachi?
Anyone can wield a katana. But a blade the size of a man?
Makes it slow, dull.
Only in the wrong hands. Here, try and pick it up.
Ooh,
Well,
it's very large.
come with me. With proper training, even the largest enemies will beg for mercy.
Our new student thinks she can best master Yoshida.
Yodachi weighs more than she does. She will not last that day.
Does the Onryo have a name?
Atsu.
Ready your Odachi, Atsu. We will begin with blocking, to help you become comfortable with the Odachi's weight. Good. You handle the weight well. Blocking is about control. But to attack with the Odachi, you must floor with its weight. Swing at me, light and fast. Flow with the Odachi's weight. Impressive. Now, break my guard with a heavy strike. You are a force! Not bad. You're still standing.
So are you. Men who come at me usually wind up dead.
Maybe someday. Now, the real fun begins. Matsumae! You doubt our guest? Who wants to challenge her? Or are you content to just talk?
I'll teach her a lesson. Please, we yield.
Who's next?
You're a quick study, Atsu. Your swing is more confident. Unlike some of you, who fight like my blind grandmother.
Master!
Our scouts have returned.
Master Yoshida! The dragon and the spider's men have a camp up the ridge.
So close? They won't sit idle for long.
There's a group on their way now.
Let them come, and meet our braids.
Matsumae! At attention! The enemy draws near!
Atsu, a moment.
Saito's sons are coming here?
Unlikely. So far, they've only sent soldiers. You should wait in the rear. This is too much for your first day.
My first day? I fought at Sekigahara.
All right, if you're so eager. But you must remember, the Odachi is most effective against larger opponents. But you should always face a katana with your own. Show me what weapon to draw when fighting a swordsman. Good. And if your enemy stands a head taller than you... Yes, the power of your Odachi will overwhelm them. Saito's men are here.
Master Yoshida! The spider and the dragon demand blood for the humiliation they have suffered because of you.
If their pride was so wounded, they should have come themselves.
You need the power of your Odachi!
Patience. She must face this trial.
The Odachi! I know this woman! She's the Onryo! Battle! Wherefore? Stay your braids! Victory is ours!